Hi guys! Let me introduce myself. My name is Amelya Dwi. I'm from Inaba University, majoring in management. Here I will present a product that is Wardah sunscreen. UV Shield Essential Sunscreen Gel SPF 30 PA+++ from PT Wardah is one of the skincare products that has an important function in protecting the skin from harmful sun exposure. With SPF 30 and PA++, this product can provide sufficient protection against UVA and UVB rays that can cause sunburn, acne, and even skin cancer. Why choose sunscreen Wardah? Unlike other beauty products, Wardah's products are always halal, alcohol-free, and currently-free. Additionally, the ingredients in their sunscreen products are very beneficial and safe. In addition, this product also contains ingredients that can help maintain skin moisture, such as glycerin and niacinamide. That way, your skin is not only protected from the sun but also keep moisture. So don't choose the wrong sunscreen, guys. Make sure you choose Wardah UV Shield Essential Sunscreen Gel SPF 30 PA+++.